What do you do when a really good-looking woman or hot woman hits on you?
Here, let's try it. What's going through your head right now, Anderson? So apparently the answer is he giggles like a girl.
Yes, that's
Please welcome, ladies and gentlemen, Dena Blizzard. Dena, hi.
And do you swear that whenever you're in public, you'll get the Kardashian wave down?
I would like to see what that is.
I can't show you that now. If you don't know it, it's a secret wave.
Then I don't want to show anybody either.
Clean, nice furniture, good color. It's a good boy color. This guy just obviously lives with his parents.
Was it his mom sitting in the kitchen that gave it away, or?
And so you're going to get 3 questions.
Okay.
Questions. The first one to buzz is going to answer first.
All right, our winner is Rhode Island. Rhode Island, you're going to win. You are now going to be our hottest pageant dad. Back to you, Amy. So I actually just had these for the
see, I don't
first
like
time.
things that are pickled
No,
or
it's not
jarred.
pickled. It's not in a jar.
It's
not in a jar. It's not in a jar. That's the way I transported it.
I don't like things that are stewing in their own juices.
It's not stewing. This is called a baba cake, all right? So it's fabulous.
And who is baba?
Baba apparently means mushroom. It's like that's the shape. If you look in this glass thing I have, it's in the shape of a mushroom. Don't smell it, just eat it.
No.
Come on, it's nothing compared to what you just did. Go ahead. It's not. There. There. Chewy, 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 chewy.
Everybody wants to talk politics. They want to talk COVID. What are the ground rules to keep the peace?
Go into Thanksgiving by burning something immediately. Burn it. People will talk about how you're a horrible cook. Like, this is gross. Why are we here? Listen, these are topics, right?
Yeah.
COVID, politics, and the current environment. So, talk about softer topics like religion or Jesus.
It's such a small town. So if you're walking, people just be like, "Do you want to ride?" It's like they don't need Uber. They just have
What?
They just pull over. They give you a honk, and they're like, "We know your brother. We'll give you a ride to school or whatever."
That's called
our small
murder
town.
in New Jersey.
It says propane on it, right?
Let's hope so. It says benzomatic.
Okay, that should work.
The thing about Christopher Walken is that a lot of people exaggerate it to a degree that's sort of embarrassing to do Patrick Stewart. It's a lot of fun.
Back on the dating scene. And if I met a fella who I could just be like, call up an accent. Women love accents. I'd be like, Jim, do that. You're Irish tonight. I would be changing your accent every single night.
Because people that clinically don't dream are very few and far between, and they are absolutely psychotic. So if you're a rational...
How many people are like, oh my God, I just found out I'm psychotic.
Oh my God. Like, are you going around killing people and ranting and raving and yelling at everybody for no reason?
That's our show, everybody. Thanks for joining us. I don't think that I'm like judgy. Right? But
that's what a judgy person thinks.
Apparently I also I just make I'm like, I do that a lot.
You're like a major producer on a date, and someone's pitching you. What'd you do?
It's basically
that was the story you opened with. Okay.
Do you do that? Do you do like a
My son's 4.
Right.
So he'll be like, Dad, I want to go to the indoor playground. Oh, the indoor playground. That way I don't say yes, don't say no, but I'm interested in you as a person.
Hey, that's really good.
Yeah.
Somebody was like, hey, did you want to go out again?
Oh, again. That wouldn't work. That's not as good.
What do you think, Dena?
Oh my gosh, it's so good. I can't believe I made it.
Listen, so you know that I'm under the weather today, and I told you earlier, I'm sorry I sound like a man, but thank God you sound like a man too.
I sound like one too, so we're good.
Perfect. Two fellas hanging out.